Hannah and Nathan.
And we are in Scotland. Our first night we spent at Loch Lomond before making our way north to the Isle of Skye.
So far on our Scotland road trip, we have visited these pretty cool places.
Portree!
Nease Point Lighthouse!
Coral Beach! Dunvegan Castle! Just off now, we're going to go into our new house.
Oh yeah, I'll put the kettle on, babe, don't you worry.
Oh, that'd be lovely. Now, let us take you to the Cuillin Mountains. Morning.
Good morning.
We are off on a 15-mile hike today, Sgurr. Supposed to offer Britain's best view.
Well, you'd hope so, wouldn't you? Walking 15 miles to get to it.
Yeah.
Oh, and I know this isn't a huge issue, but I've lost my comb, so I haven't been able to brush my hair for 2 days. So we need to find a comb after this 15-mile walk because my hair's literally going to be like that. Thanks for losing my comb.
No
But
problem.
basically what it was is Nathan opened the front bit of my rucksack and didn't shut it. So when we went on a walk the other day, I think it must have fell out.
Yeah. We are leaving Uig behind though. We're leaving the north. We're going south for a few nights.
We are. So yeah, let's do this 15-mile hike. Bye, Uig!
So we are at Sgurr, if that's how you say it. The old bridge is just behind us, and we are now starting our 15-mile trek. So about nearly 2 miles in now. Clouds lifting and it is mega hot, so just delayering.
Yeah, honestly, I'm absolutely sweating. I need to get this insulation off.
More importantly, look at that, look at the view.
I know, the views are amazing. I think these are the best views we've had actually.
Yeah.
Like the trip, like the cloud really makes it over the mountains.
Big New Zealand vibes.
Definitely, yeah.
That's better.
Yeah, much better.
You wouldn't think you was in the Highlands of Scotland in October now. Missed navigation here, took the hardest route possible.
I have the wettest right foot that I've ever had, I think.
The worst.
There's some Bambis in the wild, just running. I think we might have scared them if we've been too loud, but they're just over there. So during our trip on Skye, we've never seen so many rainbows. I hope the GoPro can pick the rainbow up behind me because it looks beautiful. And yeah, I said to Nathan that this should be called the Isle of Skye and Rainbows.
Oh. So I think that over there is Bleven. And I think we're going to start climbing up soon. Yeah, I wouldn't really recommend white trainers, would you?
Oh no, you don't need white trainers because you'll get brown trainers.
Almost.
So we're just over 5 miles in to this hike now, and it's starting to make the ascent, and yeah, I'm feeling pretty good.
Yeah. I don't know what the view's going to be like at the top, but this is unbelievable.
Yeah, the views all around us have just been so stunning.
Oh, it is steep now.
out of breath because walking up there I feel like I've got a toddler on my back. But just over there is the White Hotel where we started, and we've walked all this way.
Now we've got to walk up there. Oh my.
A quick lunch stop with a dramatic view. We needed that extra fuel to see us through the next section. It was tough.
So the track's got really tough, but I think we're nearly there. Just another steep scramble to the summit.
The higher we went, the closer the clouds got. But nevertheless, we made it to
Sgurr.
I can't say that!
So what was supposed to be the UK's best view turned out to be just cloud, typical us. But we have got this view. We've come down a bit because of the weather.
Yeah, we did go further up, but it was just cloud and there was no view, and it felt quite scary and dangerous, so we could sort of come down. But there is an amazing view, and there was just a rainbow here as well, wasn't there?
Yeah, another one.
Another one.
Just got to navigate our way down this treacherous path, which is basically just a stream. It is a shame that you don't get that summit as what everyone thinks it is, but you don't need it. We've got views just like that, just everywhere on this walk. It's absolutely stunning.
Yeah, we really wanted those summit views because this is our longest hike we've ever done. I mean, it's like a 15-mile hike here and back to Claudia. So yeah, we were desperate, wasn't we, for that summit view, but we had amazing views just under the summit.
Yeah, this is, it's amazing. Yeah, this trail as well, it's not like marked or anything. We found that a lot in Skye actually, but this is like what we're navigating. To be fair, it's a long way back now.
It's a long way back and it's a wet way back.
Yeah, feet are like swimming pools right now.
But I think we're paddling, not hiking.
Yeah, wading.
Wading.
16-mile wade. Civilization. Glad to be back here.
So we're on our way now to camp in Skye, which is 20 minutes away. I think we're both absolutely done in, aren't we?
Done in, yeah. But it's not, we've done it. We've walked all through that valley. We've been up. We didn't get the view, but we had other views that were spectacular. Seen the lots. We've done it.
Yeah. 15.5 miles it was. 7 hours 48, nearly 8 hours of walking and stopping, taking pictures. It's been really nice and challenging and an achievement.
It has, but yeah, back in civilization now. We're going to have an easier day tomorrow, for sure.
Yeah, rest day tomorrow. You picked me up a brush?
Yeah, I'm thoughtful, aren't I?
Yeah, thank you.
Problem not.
I can brush my hair now after not having a comb for the past 3 days. Next time, we board a ferry and head over to Brassy! 2 stags, and I think we just scared them now, so they're just gone round the corner.
I hope not. Cheers for watching, guys.